Understanding financial markets and trading platforms. Financial markets are where you can buy and sell assets like shares, debt securities, and currencies. They represent the value and performance of entities in the global economy. Financial markets allow you to invest, earn profits, and exchange goods and services. 1. The stock market, trade shares of companies. It shows how well companies are doing and how much investors trust them. 2. The bond market. Trade debt securities issued by governments or corporations. It shows how much borrowers pay for borrowing money and how creditworthy they are. 3. The forex market. Trade currencies of different countries. It shows the value of one currency compared to another and the strength of economies. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new about financial markets and trading platforms. Please like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos on trading online. Leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Happy trading!